Okay, LeetCode 530, minimum absolute difference in a binary search tree. So we're given the root, and we need to find the minimum absolute difference between any of the values and any two different nodes of the tree. So this one would be 1 to 2, or 3 to 4. So output 1, and then here we've got 0 and 1, so output 1. Basically just any two nodes, the smallest difference between them. And since this is a binary search tree, which means everything on the left must be smaller than the root, and everything on the right must be larger than the root, we can get the sorted order of this tree by using a DFS in order traversal, which will return 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 for this. So automatically sorts it, and then we can return we can update a answer value with the minimum difference as we iterate through. So we'll do let DFS equal node equal root. So we're gonna use a DFS function here, and then I can go and initiate a list of values, and then we can call the depth first search on the root and run through that iterative or recursive algorithm. And then let's see, we can equal infinity set this answer value to infinity because we're going to find the minimum. So just to make things easier, we can go ahead and set our answer to infinity so we can update it as we find smaller and smaller values. So with this DFS root, you should check if not root. We can just return because there's nothing in the tree. And then we'll call DFS, actually it's node. So node left, return DFS left side, left tree, and then node val. Because we're doing an in order DFS, we'll do the left tree and then we'll return the value, and then the right tree. Right. So we'll return that root node to the values. We do that, and then at the end of this algorithm, or the end of this recursion, we can just return our list of values. So it does that. And then back down here, we have this answer as infinity, and then we can loop starting at a value of 1. Actually we need to first val length, get the length of our values array so we can iterate through it, and then val length. Well, I guess I could just do, I think this will clean up the code a little more. So we are iterating starting at 1 because what we need to do is update the answer value with our values I minus I minus 1. So this gets the difference between each pair of nodes in our array. So we can do it this way because the array is sorted. Therefore, if there is a minimum difference, it will be two adjacent nodes, and we just need to find that difference. So we can just return our answer. That should work.